The world of gaming is on the verge of a revolution, fueled by the power of artificial intelligence, or AI. This transformative technology is set to change the landscape of gaming as we know it, bringing forth innovations that were once only imaginable in science fiction. AI is changing how games are designed, developed, and played, promising an unprecedented level of immersion and excitement. Developers are now able to create more complex and engaging worlds, thanks to AI's ability to process vast amounts of data and learn from player interactions. Imagine games that adapt to your playstyle, crafting unique challenges and stories tailored just for you. This means no two gaming experiences will be exactly the same, offering a personalized adventure every time you play. This is the potential of AI in gaming. It's about creating a more engaging and personalized experience that keeps players coming back for more. It's not just about smarter enemies or more realistic graphics. It's about creating a living, breathing world that reacts to your every move. It's about creating dynamic and engaging experiences that blur the line between reality and the virtual world. Imagine stepping into a game that feels as real as the world around you. AI has the potential to redefine what a game can be, opening up a new era of interactive entertainment. This new era promises to be more immersive, more interactive, and more exciting than anything we've seen before. AI is not some futuristic fantasy. It's already enhancing our favorite games today. One of the most common uses of AI is in non-player characters, or NPCs. In the past, NPCs followed pre-scripted paths and actions, often feeling robotic and predictable. However, AI-powered NPCs are capable of learning and adapting, making decisions based on the player's actions and the game environment. This leads to more challenging opponents, more believable allies, and a more dynamic and unpredictable gaming experience overall. Looking ahead, AI has the potential to revolutionize game development by taking on even more creative tasks, pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. Imagine AI algorithms generating vast and intricate game levels, each one unique and filled with unexpected challenges, offering players a fresh experience every time they play. Picture AI crafting compelling storylines with branching narratives that respond to the player's choices, making every playthrough a unique adventure. These narratives can adapt in real time, creating a living, breathing story. This is the future that AI promises: games that are truly dynamic, personalized, and endlessly replayable. Imagine a game that evolves with you,